Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox critical error failed to reach client settings in 2026. If you are trying to install Roblox and getting this annoying error, don't worry. This is a very common issue and it is usually very easy to fix, so make sure you watch till the end. First method. The most common reason behind this error is that Roblox is already running or updating in the background. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Now look for any process named Roblox or Roblox Installer. Right-click on it and click End Task. After that, go back to your installer, right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. Sometimes you just need to wait a minute for the previous process to finish. Second method. If that didn't work, the issue might be with your network connection. Type MED in the Windows search bar. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Now type the commands one by one and press Enter after each. I will leave all the commands in the pinned comment below. After running the commands, restart your computer and try installing Roblox again. Third method. Now let's try changing your DNS to a faster server. Go to Control Panel. Then open Network and Internet. Click on Network and Sharing Center. Now click on Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on your connection and click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. Choose Use the following DNS server addresses. In preferred DNS, type 8888. In alternate DNS, type 8844. Click OK and restart the installer. Fourth method. Clear Roblox app data. Press Windows key plus R. Type %local app data % and press Enter. Find the Roblox folder and delete it. This will clear corrupted files and give you a fresh start. Now open the Roblox installer again and check if the error is fixed. One of these methods should definitely solve the problem for you. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Roblox fixes and gaming tutorials. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.